Raisins are one of the most nutritious snacks you can eat. They're a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Here we briefly explain 7 major benefits of eating raisins. 1. Raisins are a good source of energy. 2. They help to regulate blood pressure. 3. Raisins help to improve circulation. 4. They are good for the skin and hair. 5. Raisins help to prevent tooth decay. 6. They are good for the digestion system. 7. Raisins help to prevent cancer. There are many ways to eat raisins, but some methods are better than others. First, wash the raisins and soak them in normal warm water overnight, and straining out the fruit and eat every day early in the morning. Although you can drink raisin water at any time of day. Your mental health is indirectly benefited by raisin water since it enhances natural weight reduction. It also inhibits hair thinning, relieves sleeplessness, and eases stomach issues. Enhancing physical health contributes to maintaining the brain's supply of neurotransmitters that control mood. This will make them plump and juicy, and they will be even more delicious. Another good way to eat raisins is to add them to a healthy smoothie or yogurt. This way you can get the benefits of their antioxidants and fiber. And they will also add a touch of sweetness to your snack or meal. They are also low in calories and fat-free, making them a good choice for those watching their weight. Finally, raisins have been shown to promote oral health by preventing cavities and gum disease. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious snack, reach for some raisins. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.